हेलो बच्चों, चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और वीडियो को पूरा देखिए। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hen, I for ink pot. J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for song. T for toy, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Please subscribe this channel.